So we got a bearded dragon from Backwater Reptiles. I've never ordered from them before, but I have ordered from LLL Reptile. And this guy is a pretty cool morph. So we'll see how much of the morph he actually has. Alright. There he is! He's tiny.
He's not as red as I thought he was gonna be.
He'll probably grow into it.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna be like Flaming Hot Cheeto.
No. He's not that red. So he is a red. No. What?
Never mind.
So he is a red. He just probably doesn't have the color development yet because he's still really little.
I can see it a little bit on his tail more than anything.
Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Meaty.
Get down.
Yeah. No.
I'll get it.
Hey. There he is. Yeah. What's up, bud? What is up, bud? So this dude got overnighted from Florida. And he is super spiky already for being so little. Color your eyes.
He's cute. Hi, buddy.
You wanna hold him?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Do you wanna hold him?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Just hold him. Just get his back legs.
He's like looking at me. Hi, buddy. Hi.
All right, so right now we're gonna put him in a little bit of Tupperware, give him a little bit of water. He's been in a box for overnight since about 5 o'clock yesterday. So we're gonna give him a little bit of water and hopefully keep him hydrated.
All right, bud, just trying to move your back leg.
So if you don't want to be back in the box.
Don't put me back in the box. What's going on inside? What are you going to do? Hi,
Trying to get him to drink, but he might not. Hopefully he does. So we are going to leave him in here for just a little bit, and I think I'm gonna run and get him some crickets because his roaches aren't here yet. But he's pretty plump, so he might not be hungry. But you know, little beardies eat like 14,000 times a day.
He's really pretty, actually. Now that like I'm seeing him up close, he's like he's actually becoming a little more red.
Yeah. So we'll go get some crickets and then we'll put him in his cage and get him adjusted.
What are we gonna call him?
I don't know yet.
He needs a name.
So he's in his cage now. We're gonna give him a little bit of time to adjust to his new environment. And we're gonna go get him some crickets. And hopefully he eats, because that would be awesome. Alright, so I went and got this dude some mealworms, large mealworms. And I think he's ready to eat. He's just chilling. Chilling in his spot.
Smells better in here.
He's eating.
He's eating?
Yeah. He's hungry. That's pretty. Okay.
Manny boy! Feeling so much better after being in the vet for so long. Good boy, oh yeah.
Alright, so that does it for that. I'm gonna feed him again tonight. Hopefully he wants to eat a little bit more. I think he's probably still pretty full from yesterday, I guess. Anything else we should talk about?
No.
No?
No. Nothing.
So we'll keep doing update videos as he gets bigger.
Did you tell them the name?
Oh no, we're gonna name him Boost. So he's gonna be Boost the Bearded Dragon.
Boosty City.
Yeah. So ta-ta for now.